Hello friends, in this video I will talk you about acne scars, acne, how to treat them naturally at home. In this video I will share some steps to follow. I will share one DIY recipe to make sulfate free, paraben free face wash which will give you lather and as well as which will give the nourishment to your skin and treats the acne, scars and acne. So friends, in this video I will tell you everything in detail. I will show you the demo, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel to have such useful videos. So I'm 100% sure that if you will follow my steps, and you will get the results very soon. You need to take care of your health internally. You need to increase the intake of water. Plus, you need to take care of your skin externally. So here I will be talking about externally. First step is to say bye-bye to chemicals. Another step is to use fuller's earth, which in Hindi is called multani mitti. Take some powder on your palm of fuller's earth and put some drops on this and make a paste and apply it on your face as we wash our face daily. So you can instantly, after 30 to 40 seconds, you can wash it off. So in a day, if you are washing your face 2 to 3 times, at least one time you need to wash your face with. Now here I am telling you about the recipe, how I created it. Now I have taken the African black soap, which is sulfate free and paraben free. I have shredded it in a bowl. I have taken around 200 grams of African black soap. I am using double boiler method and I am going to melt it. Now it is melting. Besides that, we are going to collect the dry ingredients which we are going to add in this melted soap. Now I'm using 1 lemon. You need to take out the lemon peel. Choose the lemon which has very thick skin and use the grater to grate the lemon peel. We need to collect yellow part of the lemon. Don't take white part, and collect as much as you can. So now this one is the first ingredient, and once the soap is melted in the double boiler method, add this lemon peel, and then I'm going to add neem powder, which is very good for treating acne. So here I'm adding half spoon of neem powder, and I'm using kasturi turmeric, which is also very good for treating acne. So here I'm taking 1/4 spoon of kasturi haldi, and then I'm adding tea tree oil, and tea tree oil I'm adding 5 to 10 drops. Before adding these ingredients, you should switch off the flame so that it should not be in the boiling water. Now you can add all these things in the melted soap and mix it well with the spoon, and after mixing it you can use any mold. I'm using silicone mold here, and I am pouring this solution in this silicone mold. Now put it aside for 2-3 hours, or you can use freezer to freeze it. And now after solidifying, you can take out the soap and your soap is ready. This soap is ready to use. It is not going to melt. You can keep it in your bathroom and use it every day. You can use it twice in a day to have benefits of this. I have used an African black soap, which is really nourishing for your skin. It has anti-aging properties which gives you nourishment as well. As you can see, it gives us lather as well. So you need to wet your hands and rub the soap on your face for 30 to 40 seconds and wash it off with your cold water. So here you can see the result. I'm really very happy with the result. I have reduced my acne scars using this. So here I guarantee you that if you take care of your face at least 1 week, to see the visible results, and you can continue using this soap forever. For 1 to 3 months, you will see the amazing results in your acne scars, reducing your acne scars and the acne problem with your face. So here I hope I have covered all the points and I have shared some useful information. If you find it useful, then please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such useful videos. Thanks for watching.